Scanned PDFs are often difficult to translate because the text is stored as images instead of editable content. In this video, I'll show you how to translate scanned PDFs into different languages using PDNob PDF Editor. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, I've got a PDF with me and this is a scanned PDF right here. This particular PDF is not editable and more or less we want to make it editable so that we can be able to translate the contents of this PDF. So I'm going to be using PDNob PDF Editor and I'll just drag and drop my scanned PDF right there. Let me minimize this. And what you'll take a note of is that you'll get this scanned PDF, perform OCR to make it editable or searchable. So once you get that, just click on perform OCR and it's actually going to give you this dialog box to convert OCR with editable text. That's what we want, and I'll leave everything as default. I'll click on perform OCR and it's processing, and it's a short file, more or less 3 pages with just text, no images and all that, so it's not going to be very difficult to do the changes here. So that has been done, and this now more or less is editable. I can edit the text in here and all that, but for this video we wanted first to use the OCR feature to convert the scanned PDF to an editable PDF, and then we can now use the new AI translator right here, and we can click on document translation only. That's what we want. Basic 5 AI credit use right there. Advanced, let's go for basic. And what you see here is to translate you are going to use 15 AI credits because it's 3 pages, so that's okay. Translate to, let's go to, let's see what languages they have. So there are a couple of languages here. Let's say we go to maybe, let me see, Spanish. That's okay, and you can save to source directory, and I'll click on translate 15 AI credits. Let's just click on it. Actually, do you want to save the changes? Because we did the OCR, click on save and then scanned OCR. That's okay. And once that is done, just come back to the AI translator, the document, and then we at least it maintained our selection. That's what we want. And then let's just click on translate. It's going to check for account details and then it's going to begin the translation process. So processing 0 of 3, 1 of 3, so it's done with page 1 more or less, going on into page 2. There we go. Then page 3 of 3, so I'll click on open file and there we go. So more or less our PDF has been translated, and as you can see it's looking more or less what has been mentioned. My assumption is I don't know Spanish, but I do believe this is Spanish based on what I can see. So as you can see, this is what we have. This is the original. So it's more or less what we want. So if you're looking for an easy way to translate scanned PDFs, you can use Tenoshare's PDNob for that particular job. It's super simple, as you can see, and it's kind of not really done away with the formatting because our original looked more or less like this, because it's kind of what we mentioned, keep original layout, which was really good. But that is how you can easily translate scanned PDFs using Tenoshare's PDNob. I hope this video is of value to you. Thanks for watching.